Alright. I just realized I haven't been recording since nighttime, which is fucking retarded. I'm playing Space Engineers. This is creative. I'm looking at builds that looked really cool. So. By the way, I'm watching Rick and Morty in the background, so don't mind it. Anyway. This build was made by Allied Armor. There was this, and this one, and that one. Most of these I'm looking at were made by Allied Armor, most likely. So. There's the immensely carrier. Y'all can look at it. What? Yeah. Fuck off. My cat just jumped out behind me. I got a new cat. I know nobody watching my channel knows I even have cats, but I do. Got 4 permanent, then possibly a new permanent cat. We got Nico, Vader, Minnie, Smokey, and then the temporary one is Tara. Tara. Come here, Tara. Come here. Come on. She's scared. Anyway, sorry if my chewing gum is too loud. I'm gonna put it away. But yeah, we're doing a YouTube video today, everybody. We're gonna post it to YouTube, obviously. But I'm just here looking at some builds I found on the workshop. All Star Citizen. I've tried to do Star Citizen videos many times, but the fucking video takes unbelievably long to load. Probably because I record for like hours. Not hours, I recorded like most I recorded was like an hour for Star Citizen. Sorry about the lag, but these builds, mainly the big one, is very like, Tara, get off my desk. Ma'am. Don't get mad at me. I've yelled at you like 7 times today. Get off of my desk. I was playing GTA earlier, and this cat is like, I wanna be up here now. Like, the fuck? Anyway. You don't meow at me, ma'am. Ma'am. Madam. Stop it. Anyway. We're looking at builds. Motherfucker. No shit. I'm cussing because I'm not even monetized. I don't care if I get demonetized. So. But. Fuck no. Y'all know what the Reavers are. They are fucking terrifying. Only PC players who play this game will probably know what they are. But, yeah. One thing I do hope is people actually watch my channel. I don't know if people do. I don't really care either. I just want to try to post. Hopefully some people like my content. You know, I don't really post that often. I record and then I freaking forget to post. I know, I'm freaking a little bit retarded. Nobody makes fun of me. Nobody yell at me for saying he said retarded. Yeah, I do not give a fuck. I don't actually mean it. I don't say retarded like I actually mean someone with a mental disability. No, I don't actually mean it when I call people retarded. I only say it, I call people retarded if they do something dumb. If, like, I'm playing a game, my friend's like, I'm gonna go hug the monster, and they die, and they're the reason we all die. I'm like, bro, that was retarded. That's the only real time I ever call someone actually retarded. Fuck. But, yeah, other times I don't call people retarded. I don't actually mean it.
Meteor storm
I only say
inbound.
it when someone does something dumb. Okay? That doesn't mean that I think all retarded people are dumb. No, of course not. Retarded people are actually kind of smart sometimes. They can be very, very intelligent. So, yeah. I know that. My brother. He's a little bit mentally challenged. Most said mentally retarded, but no. He's not actually retarded. He's a little bit mentally challenged. But he's smart. He's a smart kid. He's smart. He's smarter than Mort. He's smarter than Morty. And that's saying a lot. Actually, not really. Morty's a dumbass. But, yeah. And you gotta be fucking kidding me right now. Ba-na-na-na-na-na.
Was a misinput missing?
I was just joking on.
I forgot I had that. That was from the TED TV show. I feel like leave my charger alone, ma'am. Sorry, cat. Cat being annoying. Leave me alone. I'll pet you. Tara, your brother's kind of an asshole. Minnie, the orange one. I don't get how y'all are related. Y'all are blood siblings. You're gray, he's orange. How? You half and half? What the fuck? They're half and half, everybody. It's fucking cold. I live in. Actually, I'm not gonna say where I fucking live. Damn. That's like YouTube channel 101. Don't say where you live. But yeah, But yeah, it's fucking cold. We got a tornado the other day. Because that probably immediately tells people where I am. Not a lot of places get tornadoes back. But yeah, got a tornado the other day. It went from fucking windy as shit to now it's freezing. It's literally snowing outside. Bipolar ass weather. Why is gravity being gravity like this? Oh, probably because this is sideways.
Shit.
I forgot I must have enabled, but that's fine. We need a camera. Camera 2. Yeah, it's camera 2.
Meteor storm inbound.
Michael!
the fuck just happened? Something crashed into my ship. Or did I crash into my ship? What the fuck just happened? What the fuck? What? Oh. I think it's Caesar, right? What the fuck what just happened? What the fuck? Anything damaged? Nothing's damaged! What the fuck just happened? What just happened? I bet I've gotten like 0 comments on like fucking any of my videos, but I don't really give a fuck. Actually, I think I got like 1. That's from like my friend Greedy, because he watches my YouTube channel. I think. Oh, I don't remember here now. But hold on, let me. I'm a little bit dumb. Fear is imminent. What the fuck was this video about? Curb stomp? Oh. Delete it. Crazy stuff happening? Yeah, it was that video. It was that one. It was that one. That one.
Holy progress out of the log.
Yeah, it was that one video. I think all my other videos I haven't got like a single comment on them. This one. Maybe this one. How many views does my Elden Ring video have?
There we go. There's Elden Ring.
7. 7. Okay. Okay, so my Elden Ring videos don't do that good, but Subnautica.
And silicon rubber. That means
The forbidden number 67. The worst number of them all. God damn it. I bet any like fucking child who like watches my videos is gonna be like, he's not dumb in the fucking video. Like, I do not give a shit. Like some of the new memes don't make any mother fucking sense. Like, a number is funny. 69, that was funny, because that's a sex position. The 69, that was funny, because that's a sex position. I'm gonna get banned. I'm gonna get banned. And I'm gonna get banned, and I do not care. I do not give a shit. Oh no, it's so sad. If I get banned, I do not care. I honestly don't care if I ever get banned for them. Basically. But yeah. Anyway, I don't care. I don't care if I get banned, everybody. I don't care if I even get banned. I'm probably gonna get banned for this Indian accent. I gotta go AFK for a minute. Gotta take a piss.
Meteor storm inbound. Meteor storm inbound.
Am I still recording? I think I am. I am. The fuck? Tara, get off my desk. Tara? No. No. Don't touch the stuff on the shelf, you fucking asshole. Okay.
Meteor storm inbound.
Fuck off with your meteor storm inbound ass. We're just gonna do a remove. Oh, okay. Game lag. Oh no, bro. Oh no, bro. I sound like a fucking prepubescent muscle dude. Muscle man? Muscle dude. Yeah, muscle dude. Dashing and daring, courageous and caring. Hey, Dot. No, I'm not member. Oh no, not Linkler. Oh. All ears prepare to be emancipated. Oh, what was one of the builds I would have looked at? Look-alike? What the fuck?
C1 shown provenance.
It was
Based on 35k of blocks, such as the PCU count.
Argo Mole as well. Actually, I haven't looked at this one yet. Hold on.
Meteor storm inbound.
Yeah, I did that real quick because I can just go under and place a thing.
Should I fall in love? Should I fall in love?
Now we have gravity on the fucking ship.
Michael!
I wanna get to the light.
Tara, did you just jump down behind me? You're somewhere. She's somewhere. Oh, you're on the shelf. Oh, okay. So as long if I'm in the same room. Oh, okay. Why the fuck is this thing not moving?
Oh, it's because its only form of forward motion is atmospheric. Fucking asshole. Motherfucker, you fucking asshole. Okay. Ah. It's weird, my PC doesn't have a lot of the buttons that other people's PCs have. Oh. At least I'm out here. But, booty butt.
What the fuck?
Bam, bam, walla, bam, bam. Bam, ba-dam, ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-dam.
Meteor storm inbound.
What the fuck? The fuck? Okay, I hate. I'm about to change this shit to arrows. Hold on. Controls. Block back.
vertical. Horizontal, home and end. Fuck. Kara, I can hear you. I assume with stuff on the shelf, ma'am. The forward motion. Fucking game. Okay, something's causing lag. I don't know fucking what. That's it. Who that? Of all those.
Michael! Don't leave!
What? What? Wait. What the fuck? Do you want out? Fine. Doors open. Merry Christmas. Vader's out there though. Whatever. Vader's there. What?
Meteor storm inbound.
Where the fuck did she go? You hiding under me, ma'am? Or you're hiding up there, okay. Vader, fuck off. You're pissing off the cat, Mr. Vader Marie, as your legal name is.
Where did...
Meteor storm inbound.
Okie dokie.